Have you ever gone to start up your griddle and it just won't work the way it's supposed to? Maybe it won't light up, not all the burners are working, maybe it's a low flame. More than likely, your issue is not the griddle, it's actually the tank or somehow in the connection there. And so Blackstone actually recommends anytime you get a new tank, you do what they call a leak test to make sure that everything is hooked up properly, make sure you don't have any leaks or any issues, which usually are what cause any problems with griddles. Griddles very rarely have issues, but the propane tank and the connection can a lot of time have a lot of issues. So let's look at how we can do a leak test. So the first thing you want to do is make sure every one of your burners is turned off, including your propane tank. You want everything turned off completely, okay? And then I'm going to take this solution. I just took a cheap squirt bottle from Walmart. This cost me $1. And then you put about a 10% dish soap to 90% water solution in here. Give it a little bit of a shake. And so now you have kind of a soapy water solution. And so what you're going to do is you're going to spray down. I'm going to kind of get kind of a mist going here. You're going to spray down that connection around. You're going to get right here around the connection where the regulator is. Make sure you get soap on all parts where the connection is. And then the hose itself, you're going to spray that hose down all the way down. And what you're doing is getting some soapy water put on here so that when you turn the gas on slowly, you'll start to see bubbles start to come up. So what you're going to do now is just slowly turn on the gas. Okay? Nice and slow. You don't want a whole lot of gas running there. And if there was a leak, you would start to see bubbles coming up. So we can see there's no bubbles here, no bubbles here. We're looking here, there's no bubbles here. The hose looks good. And we can spray it down a little more just to make sure. But I don't see any soapy bubbles. You'll see the bubbles. You see the little bubbles, that'll happen just because you have soap that you're spraying on. But you're looking for like bigger bubbles to start to form, almost like it's blowing bubbles. So you can see we've got a perfectly hooked up propane tank here. We didn't see any extra bubbles or larger bubbles coming out. If you did see any of those bubbles, the recommendation is to turn it off completely, check your connection, make sure that that's not the issue. If you're still having issues, even when your connection is right, or even if you change out the tank, then Blackstone recommends stopping using the griddle and then contact customer support and they can help you out because there might be a bigger issue with the griddle then. Blackstone recommends that you check that anytime you change out your propane tank. If your griddle has sat for a long time and not been used, like during the winter time or something like that, or if it's just sitting out in the weather, you have some harsh weather come through, it's sitting out in the sun, all of those things can erode the hoses and erode the connection. And so you'll want to do a check every now and then if your griddle's been sitting and every time you change out that tank. Let me know if there's any other safety tips you'd like to hear about. Till next time, thanks for watching.